If I started learning Arabic in 2026, this is exactly I would do to master my Arabic fast. No complicated grammar, no boring words lists, simple and proven steps that works for busy adults. Speak Arabic fluent with me because Arabic is easy to learn with Kiba Academy. And if you watch this video till the end, there are a special gift from me to you. Today I will share my complete 5 steps learning Arabic framework. The exact system I would use if I was starting from zero in 2026. This work is for complete beginners with just 10 minutes a day. Before we dive in, please subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any lessons with Kiba Academy. Let's get started. Step number 1, sounds. Why sounds matter? Arabic has unique sounds your tongue need to learn it. What to do? Practice 70 sounds daily for 2 weeks. There are short vowels and long vowels. Short vowels فتحة كسرة ضمة. Long vowels ألف واو ياء. Short vowels example إي أو با بي بو تا تي تو ثا ثي ثو جا جي جو حا حي حو خا خي خو دا دي دو. Long vowels إي أو با بي بو تا تي تو ثا ثي ثو. Sound of the letter ra. Say r. R. Not r. Not repeat. Not or. English. The r. 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 Record yourself and compare to native audio. Step number 2. Phrases, not words. The mistake beginners make: use words instead of ready-to-use phrases. Learn these 10 essential sentences first. Phrase number 1. أنا أدرس العربية كل يوم. I study Arabic every day. أنا أدرس العربية كل يوم. هل هذا طعام لذيذ؟ هل هذا طعام لذيذ؟ هل هذا طعام لذيذ؟ Is this food delicious? Number 3. أريد شراء هذا الكتاب. أريد شراء هذا الكتاب. أريد شراء هذا الكتاب. I want to buy this book. Number 4. أين تقع المدرسة؟ أين تقع المدرسة؟ أين تقع المدرسة؟ Where is the school? Number 5. اليوم هو الاثنين. اليوم هو الاثنين. اليوم هو الاثنين. Today is Monday. Number 6. سأعود بعد ساعة. سأعود بعد ساعة. سأعود بعد ساعة. It means I will back in an hour. Phrase number 7. هل يمكنني المساعدة؟ هل يمكنني المساعدة؟ هل يمكنني المساعدة؟ Can I help? Number 8. أنا أشعر بالسعادة. أنا أشعر بالسعادة. أنا أشعر بالسعادة. I feel happy. Number 9. ما هي خطتك للغد؟ ما هي خطتك للغد؟ ما هي خطتك للغد؟ What is your plan for tomorrow? Number 9. هذا الدرس سهلا. هذا الدرس سهلا. هذا الدرس سهلا. It means this lesson is easy. Practice daily for 5 minutes and record for yourself, saying all the 10 sentences, play back and fix pronunciation. If you love this Arabic roadmap, please subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any lesson with Kiba Academy. Step number 3, listening and shadowing. Shadowing, repeat exactly what you hear. Your 2026 lesson plan, the first 7 days, listen podcasts 5 minutes daily. The next 7 days, listen to Arabic kids songs. The next 15 days, listen to Arabic TV shows with subtitles. Shadowing technique lesson once. You don't understand? Okay, no problem. Listen and repeat exactly. Pause after each sentence. Listen and speak. Listen and speak. Pro tip. Use 0.76x speed at first, then normal speed. Step number 4. Speak from the first day. Answer simple question about yourself week. Describe your daily routine. There is a free speaking partner. Use the Qiba Academy free session, the link in the description, to practice with the real teacher. Step number 5, daily repetition system. The habit that guarantees fluency, 10 minutes daily, never missed. Your 2026 daily routine: 3 minutes learn 3 new phrases, 10 minute shadowing audio, and 10 minute record for yourself. Accountability hack: post your daily recording in Qiba Academy's learning community. Join via the link from the description. Finally, review your complete 2026 Arabic plan. Sounds first, phrases before grammar, shadowing daily, speak from the first day, 10 minutes daily. Follow this exactly and you will hold the basic conversation in 90 days. Perfect. Now you have the exact roadmap I would use to learn Arabic fluently in 2026. Subscribe and hit the bell to join our community at Qiba Academy, and don't forget to book your free session from the link in the description. Start today. Your fluent Arabic journey begins now. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.